In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get OpenAI API key, because this is a super easy way. So let's get started. First, I'm going to google.com, then search OpenAI. I'm going to first this one, then again click on OpenAI. Then I need to log in here, just using your Gmail login here. Then I click on API. Then again go to this icon. There you can see here there are lots of options, so I go to API key. You can see here is no API key I already create before, so I want to create it now. Just click here, then I want to click just hello. Yes, select a name, then create secret key. Verify that you are human, just puzzle, then wow, okay, submit it. Again go to okay, human verification are successful. Now this is my API key. Now I just copy this one, then use your API key on other websites. See you again, take care, goodbye.